If you'd like some extra pressure from a garden hose,
a wand can be made out of PVC pipe and fittings. Add some fittings and extensions.
then you've got a rain gutter cleaner.
Get some 3/4 inch PVC Schedule 40 pipe, a 3/4 inch threaded end cap, 2 3/4 inch threaded adapters. Measure and cut the pipe to the desired length. I'll cut mine for about 44 inches.
Deburr the inside and outside edges of the cut. For extra credit, chamfer the outer edge. If you've never glued PVC pipe together, I have a detailed video that shows how to do that. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find it.
I've got some primer and PVC cement.
Use this procedure to solvent weld the two adapters onto the two ends of the pipe.
Drill a hole in the center of the end cap. I'll make this one 3/32. Remount the inside of the hole. You'll need an adapter that fits onto the end of a garden hose.
Also available in PVC, just glue one of these onto one end of the pipe. Wrap both of the adapter's threads with about 3 rounds of plumber's tape.
Install the end cap. Then you can connect directly to the pressure wand. I use a brass shutoff valve connector.
It adds the convenience of being able to turn off the water at the wand instead of having to go to the shutoff valve. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.